welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I shave my face for a smoother and glowing skin. This is also known as Derma-planing. If you're new here, like this video and subscribe for more. And guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, I started off by washing my face with my Cerave Hydrating face wash. It is very important to cleanse your face before you start this, to remove every makeup, oil and dirt from your face. So you wet your face first and then you massage your cleanser onto your face. Massage every corner of your face, the side of your nose, and make sure you remove every dirt and oil from your face. Massage your face in circular motions, and then when you're done massaging your face with your cleanser, just rinse off with a warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. I forgot to mention, use a gentle cleanser when doing this. So guys, I'm done washing my face with my hydrating face cleanser. Now I'm going in with this Pears Baby oil to apply on my face before I begin shaving my face. You can use a moisturizer for this, but I just do this to make the razor glide on smoothly. You can decide to skip this if you want, but do this if you have sensitive skin. You can just apply oil first before you shave. So guys, now I'm going to use my facial razor to start shaving. I start from my forehead and I just shave downwards. You want to shave in the direction that your hair grows, so do that gently. Please, if you're doing this for the first time, make sure you're gentle with your blade. You can use a Derma-planing blade for this or a facial razor blade for this. And then notice how I shave downwards in the direction that my hair grows, and be gentle with this. I only do this once in a month. You don't have to do this every day or every time. Just you can do it once in a month. And I do this for a brighter and softer and glowing skin. Look at that. Look at all that came out from my face. So I'm just shaving the rest of my face now. I'm doing my cheeks now, and I'm doing that gently, as you can see. So I just push my skin with my tongue for a proper shave. You can either do this or you can just place your hand on your skin and then shave your face. Wherever I have a breakout, I don't shave on that area. It will only hurt you more. So you just keep that area and you can do the rest of your face. Avoid any area you have a breakout so you don't hurt yourself. After shaving an area of your face, ensure to clean the blade before you go in again to shave another area. You can do this on a cotton pad just as shown. And then guys, notice how gentle I am on sensitive area. My nose area and under my eyes, I go very gentle on that area just because I don't want to hurt myself, and that area is very sensitive. So I'm just shaving my mouth area now. Notice how I use my tongue to push out my skin so it can be easy for me to shave. Dermaplaning doesn't work for everybody, especially if you have a very sensitive skin. You want to visit your dermatologist to test your skin before you do this. Please ensure to do that. So guys, now for my nose area, I placed my other hand on my nose just to lift my skin, and then I just gently shave that area. So you can either do this like I said earlier, or you can just push your skin with your tongue and then shave. So I'm just gently shaving the other side of my face, and I'm doing that gently, as you can see. Be gentle with your blade so you don't cut yourself. So guys, now I'm done with my cheeks area and my chin. I'm just going to go ahead to focus more on my nose area. And if you notice, the direction of the blade has changed, so I'm just going to shave sideways, and I'm going to do this gently. Sideways, yes, do this gently. That area is very sensitive, so you want to be very gentle with your blade. Sideways for your nose area, and do this gently. So yes guys, I'm just going over my forehead again. I really did not pay attention to that area earlier, so I'm just going over to remove every excess hair. I'm going in between my brows as well. And yes guys, I am done shaving my face. Look at that. Look at what came out of my face. You can see that. So yes, I've removed everything on my face, every hair. My face feels so soft now and smooth. And yes, like I said earlier, to do this, you can place your opposite hand on your skin just to lift it, and then you shave with the other hand just as shown, or you can just push your skin with your tongue just as shown. I hope that makes sense. And yes guys, I'm done shaving my face. After that, I go in with my micellar cleansing water. With a cotton pad, I just cleanse my face, wipe off every oil, every excess dirt on my face. I just wipe that off with my micellar water. Guys, believe me when I say my face feels so soft and bouncy. Like, this actually works for me, no jokes. So yeah, you can do this at home, but while doing this, make sure you're very careful with your blade, and you can just follow these steps to shave your face. And yes, I just let that dry while I apply my gloss on my lips. I allow the micellar water to dry on my face before I go in with my moisturizer. I use a mild moisturizer. After shaving my face, I go in to use Trust moisturizer, and it's a mild moisturizer because I feel like any other product will be too harsh on my skin. So I do my skincare, my normal skincare the next day, and I just let my skin rest the day I shave my face. So I'm just massaging the moisturizer on my skin. And yes guys, guess what? I am done with this. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification for more beauty tips, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.